We have the basic form in place, so now we simply need to repeat the process for our other elements like shipping address. So we'll cover shipping address in this video. So let's move into our checkout component.ts file. And we'll add the fields for shipping address. And so we'll say shipping address, this.form builder group. And then we'll have fields here for shipping address. So we'll have street, city, state, country, zip code. And these could actually be in any order. We'll actually handle the layout in the actual HTML page. And then I'll do a similar thing here for a billing address. So I'll just do a little copy paste on shipping address. And I'll actually paste it 2 times. All right, so we copied shipping address and pasted it twice. So you should see 3 entries here. The second entry will change to billing address. And then the third entry here will be for credit card information. And then for credit card, we need to change the actual properties here. So we'll have a card type, we'll have name, card number, security code, expiration month and year. So we have credit card, billing address, shipping address, and customer. So let's move over to our HTML page. Checkout component.html. We're going to do a little copy paste. So basically grab this customer form group section. So everything starting at line 8. And we're going to select all the way down to the div right above the submit button. And then let's copy that. And then we'll move down here, and this will be for shipping address. And we'll paste that information. And then we'll scroll up and we'll make the update here for the actual name. So form group name instead of customer, form group name is shipping address. And it has to match with the actual property or configuration that we set up in our .ts file. And I'll make some modifications here. So for the shipping address, instead of first name, I'll have that as country. And then here we'll have a drop-down list for country. So a select item. And the form control name is country. Again, matching with our .ts file. And for right now, I'll put the country as to do. We'll come back in some later videos and we'll add all the countries accordingly. For now, let's just kind of get the form layout set up. So this will be street. And then we'll have city. And then for state, it's going to be a drop down. So let's just kind of copy the country section and we'll use that for state also. So just moving up to this section where I have country, just kind of copy this row. And then I'll just move down right after city and I'll paste it in. Make sure you keep all your divs lined up just right, just to kind of help you out with knowing where things are located. So there's state and then form control state. And then the one final item we have is zip code. So that's just a plain text item. So we'll grab the city info and we'll copy that and paste it right here after state. And I'll change this to zip code. Alrighty, so that's all of the coding there for shipping address. So let's swing over to our browser and see how things look. So we have customer, that's cool. Then scrolling down and shipping address. All right, looks pretty good. I like it so far. So at least the layout stuff is working out for us. We'll get into all the population stuff in a bit, but just right now, getting things laid out properly.